evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Ersilia Fatlolon. I'm currently studying in the accounting program. Today, I'm going to present about auditors, who they are, their roles, and why they are essential in the financial and business world. Let's start. What is an auditor? An auditor is someone who performs audits on various types of reports related to finance in an entity, be it an organization, institution, company, or government agency. In addition, an auditor is a person who has the expertise and also special qualification to perform audit work on financial statement. Auditors who have good quality and performance have a close relationship with the reputation of the auditor itself. Auditor responsibility. One is accounting system. An auditor must know for certain the accounting recording system and transaction process and assess its adequacy as a basis for preparing financial reports. 2. Planning, controlling, and recording. 3. Internal control. If an auditor hopes to gain confidence in internal control, then they should be able to ensure and also evaluate the control and conduct compliance tasks. 4. Reviewing relevant financial statement. An auditor must review the financial statement in a relevant manner and also as necessary in relation to a conclusion drawn based on other audit evidence obtained and to provide a rational basis for his opinion regarding the company's financial statement. Fifth, audit evidence. An auditor must obtain relevant and reliable audit evidence in order to reach a rational conclusion. Is types of auditor. There are 5 types of auditors that we should know. 1. Independent auditor. Independent auditor is a member of public accounting firm who work externally to provide service to the public who are in need of audit service. This type should not be influenced by outside parties or any party. 2. Government auditor. Government auditors are those who work as auditor and serve various institutions or companies owned by the government. In Indonesia, we call it BUMN. In Indonesian, government auditors are divided into two parts. One is external auditor and 2 is auditor internal. 3. Auditor internal. An internal auditor is someone who works for a company or agency as an auditor. Some of their duties include checking the company's internal financial reports document, but their scope is quite limited. Besides that, they also work to improve the accuracy of the financial data of the company where they work. 4. Forensic auditor. Forensic auditor is someone who works in a more specialized field. The field of example like the field of financial crime. 5th, tax auditor. Tax audit is an auditor under the auspice of Director General of Taxes of the Ministry of Finance of the Republic of Indonesia. The tax auditor is to conduct an audit on each specific taxpayer related to implementation of their obligation in accordance with applicable law and regulation. Steps of conducting an audit. 1. Planning stage. The planning stage is a preliminary step that must be carried out so that the auditor knows for sure the object to be an audit, so that it will produce an audit program that can be created in a such way that the implementation system can run effectively and efficiently. 2. Identifying risks and control. The step is carried out to ensure that qualified resources are available. In this case, aspects of experienced human resource and also reference to best practice are required. 3. Evaluate, control, and collect evidence. The next steps. The auditor must conduct a control evaluation and collect various facts through various techniques, including conducting interview, survey, observation, and reviewing documentation. 4. And collecting finding. Documenting and collecting finding. 5th, compiling reports. Compiling the reports is the final steps, include the purpose of the audit, the nature and level of depth carried out by the auditor. Auditor career path. The first one is junior auditor. Junior auditor is an auditor with little work experience or fresh graduates start their career as junior auditors. In company, the junior level is more often known as staff junior. 2. Senior auditor. If you show satisfactory performance for 3 years, you will be promoted to senior auditor. Because you already have experience, you will be more involved in the audit planning process directly. Not only that, you also implement more complex audit strategy. 3. Audit manager. Senior auditor can get a promotion to audit manager. The requirement is, of course, to show good performance. When you become a manager, you will interact with clients directly. The goal is to find out the audit needs needed and the targets to be achieved. Fourth, or the last one, is audit partners. An audit partners is the highest ranking position in an external audit consulting firm. His main task is to meet directly with VIP clients. In addition, they also make strategic decisions that determine the overall direction of the firm. So, if we compare it, the role of an audit partner is similar to the CEO of company in general. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Goodbye. Good evening.